I'd like to show you how you can make a Super Bowl cake. This is an egg mold. Wilton sells it. We use it a lot for Easter time for our egg cakes. At Super Bowl in January, it's a great way to convert that egg into a football. So what I just did was I put a circle and doily on top of the egg pan. I'm going to invert it upside down just like that. And I can remove the pan, and there is your football. Taking buttercream frosting, we made a leathery color for our frosting to make it look like a realistic football. We're going to then take our spatula and we're just going to smooth out the leather color frosting all over the Super Bowl. The best way when you do this is just to make sure that you put the frosting all over the cake to start, and then we're going to go back and we're going to remove the extra frosting. What we're going to want to do is spread the frosting over the cake, and then we're going to go back around and we're going to remove the extra frosting. Because we're doing such an odd shape, you don't want to have all these cut lines. So I'm going to start on my left hand side, and I'm going to start from the front and work my spatula back to myself, making lines as I go. I like to start on the left hand side, go up to the top, and then go back to the right, and then go to the top, and then make one smooth cut across. Now for my last swipe, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to go right across and smooth out the football. Football has white laces, so I'm going to start from the point and come all the way to the back, and I'm just going to do a straight line. I'm then going to add the stitch marks, and since we don't know who's going to be playing in the Super Bowl this year, we do know the number of the Super Bowl this year, so we're going to pipe that out. Going right over it in white, and then finally in blue. To make it look a little more realistic, we're going to pipe out some grass. We're using a number 233 tip, which is like a hair tip, but it makes great grass. And this is going to be covering the buttercream that we didn't get down to. And we'll do 2 rows of it. I'm Kelly Delaney of Cakes for Occasions in Danvers, Massachusetts, and this is how you make a Super Bowl cake.